This is Nick from Equalizer Systems, and today we'd like to show you the aftermarket installation of our EQ Smart Level for the Mercedes Sprinter chassis. So as most people are aware, Mercedes does not authorize any cutting, drilling, welding, frame alterations at all within their chassis warranty. So we've actually come up with a really great way to mount our leveling system to this chassis and still stay within all of those guidelines. So the first thing we'll show you is the front jack mount brackets. This is a newer design that we've been using for about a year and a half now, and it makes for a real easy installation. The bracket itself is actually held into the frame with a single box bolt. If you can picture an oversized toggle bolt with about an 18,000 pound shear rating, that's what that is right there. So both of the front jacks are held onto the frame using that, same bracket on each side, and then they've got a cross tie that goes between the two jacks to keep them upright, so you won't have to worry about side shift or any flexing in your chassis. Next thing that we move to back here would be the pump. This particular coach has an outrigger that comes off of the chassis that holds the floor up, and this bracket actually mounts right to that. This is a great all-purpose, easy to install pump mount bracket that we use for this one. If you don't have that outrigger set up, we also have another pump mount option that actually clamps the bracket right onto the frame, so you can still install that pump without having to worry about those chassis modifications. This pump also has a manual override built right onto it. Every one of our pumps at Equalizer Systems has that, and it's easy to access from this mounting location. Filled with automatic transmission fluid and runs off of your 12-volt house batteries. From here, we'll move to the rear of the coach and check out the back jacks. So in the back here, you'll see the same jacks in the front. They're a 13-inch stroke, 7,500 pound capacity hydraulic cylinder. These use a slightly different mount. These actually clamp onto the Mercedes chassis frame using the existing pinch tabs that are already part of that frame rail. Again, there's no chassis modifications needed at all to install these jacks. And again, you've got a cross tie in between the two of them that keep the jacks upright, prevent any side shifting. If you're parked on a hill or if weight shifts in the coach, they'll stay straight up and down. As you can also see, this customer opted to go with the optional snap pads. You can buy those from us, you can buy those right from SnapPad themselves. Very popular aftermarket option. From here, we'll go ahead to the inside of the coach and show you the control panel. So now we're inside the coach and we're going to take a look at the control panel. The EQ Smart Level System control panel also doubles as the level sensor. So this is the only other component you have to install onto this coach aside from the jacks and the pump. As you can see, our control system is very simple. It's just a simple power button, auto level, all retract, and then manual adjustment options. The other neat thing with the Smart Level system is that it has a free to download Bluetooth app for either your smartphone or your tablet, so that you can actually operate your leveling system anywhere you've got Bluetooth range outside of the coach. This particular model has a great spot right inside the entry door to the front of the coach. Some of these smaller units, we like to stay right inside the entry door, either to the front or the rear, which makes it simple to stand outside the coach and still operate your leveling system manually from the panel and be able to keep an eye on what the jacks are doing underneath the coach. For more information on this leveling system or a system for any RV that you've got out there, visit us at equalizersystems.com.